Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back. Welcome back, Roberta Walker, landscape designer. So we are doing an updated tour of the property, your big landscape project that you guys are doing this year.
That we're doing section by section because as the house has been remodeled, we weren't able to get to certain areas.
Yeah.
So now the outside is done. The inside is still being worked on.
Yeah.
And I'm going to take you around and show you our progress. If you've been following, you could see a lot of it.
It doesn't even look like the same place. I mean,
know,
it looks like a completely different property. So I'm so excited to see it. I haven't seen it yet. I just love this. I love the mulch that you guys chose. And this is going to be the ground cover. This is all going to be covered, right?
Yes. Let me tell you what's going on. So we spoke about rubus before, I think. Rubus is from the ribes family, but rubus is a ground cover that looks so small and petite right here, but it'll spread out 7 to 8 feet.
Quickly.
I kid you not.
Yeah.
Quickly.
Yeah.
So imagine we're going to have all this green and then popping up, we have a Ceanothus Diamond Heights.
Love.
This beautiful variegated color. And that'll get to about 2 feet and about 4 feet wide. So it'll be all green, and then we'll have these pop-ups of color.
Oh, it's just going to be so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I didn't realize the
No-Mow is in.
No-Mow's in. Oh my God. I haven't seen it since the last video. Wait, Roberta and I actually have other plans today, and you'll see that video later.
We do.
But this is so exciting to see an update. And then here's the Mocha Lava Rock that you love. And
Yes.
It's beautiful.
So the Mocha Lava Rock looks like soil, but it's very lightweight. So people say, oh, isn't it going to get really hot? No, well, any surface is going to get hot, but this is very porous, so it breathes. And under the rock is weed barrier, and then the plants are dripped. So every plant that's getting dripped, the moisture is staying down below because of the weed barrier and the lava rock.
Love it. Oh, this is stunning.
Well, everything is going to get way bigger. This is a little dogwood. You can see all the little buds on it.
Yeah. Oh,
so eventually it'll be 20
pretty.
feet high and
oh, it's so fun to see a project like beginning to, I mean, we're not at the end yet, but we're very close. Roberta, oh my gosh.
Okay, this is called Mow Free, and this Mow Free is, it's by Delta Bluegrass.
Okay.
And it's going to get about 13 inches high, and it'll kind of lay down and whorl. So imagine what you're looking at now has been rolled up.
Yeah, yeah.
It was cut in the field and then rolled up. So when we irrigate it, we have pop-ups that come up over 13 inches to spray it.
Wow.
But it takes 50% less water than a regular lawn.
Yes.
So if you have kind of a meadow area, if you have a small landscape and a small lawn, you don't want to use this.
Okay.
Because it'll look like a big overgrown patch.
Yeah.
This needs
a little
more
space.
spread.
Yeah.
So
this is so pretty.
It works perfectly here because it'll be like a meadow and then it's going into the creek.
Oh, it's just so gorgeous. And I did mine by seed. I just seeded it.
How did that go?
It was fine. I had to deal with a lot of weeds.
That's the problem.
I had to consistently go out there and pull weeds. Yes, it was cheap. I mean, it only cost me like $100 to buy a bag of seeds. So it was cost effective for me, but this is beautiful. And this is done. Like, look how good this looks.
This is not inexpensive. But let's talk about expense. So you paid a lot less and have to weed it.
Yes.
And wait.
Yes.
This, I forgot how much you said. Was it $2.25 a yard or $1 or $1.20? Anyway, it's a lot more expensive than regular sod.
Yeah.
However, it's done.
It's done.
And with something like this, if there are weeds in or coming in, or even like Bermuda grass, eventually this gets beautiful and then up is a scraggly weed. So it's really important that first of all the weeds are cleared underneath.
Yeah.
And then if you could roll it in, it's tight and nothing's going to grow.
And it's gonna suppress those weeds. This is just so stunning. I just love that you did this over here. It's just it transitions to this more natural creek over here. I mean, it just looks so good.
Isn't
and
it
then
nice?
We have your perennial garden.
Yes, so these are the hot borders here because again we've got a western sun that way, and as the sun sets we're going to have a lot of heat. So at this corner and that corner is a dwarf buddleia called Puxter Blue.
Love it.
And then we have yarrow, a killer, catmint, echinacea, and it kind of repeats. So this is a border that will stay, and this particular Laura petalum is a dwarf variety.
Okay.
So everything here will stay compact, but it can take the heat. Over here, we have the red hot pokers, coleonema, get that big, lantana spread all the way through here. So we're going to have to keep.
It's going to fill in.
We're going to have to keep having more sessions so you can see.
And these are
more.
pretty fast growers, which I need to point out because I know it looks small now, but I'm telling you guys, once it starts warming up around here, these are going to go crazy.
Perennials will always be.
Oh, the
quicker.
Mondo grass. Look how good this looks.
So that will all be green, and Mondo needs no trimming, and it's evergreen. So it's tough, really tough. When that gets going, you know, dogs can run on it. And
really?
Yeah, it's not dogs can't pee on it, but they could run on it.
Right.
And it's even transplanting, it's so hard to dig up because the roots just grab on. So it's great for erosion as well.
Oh, that's fantastic. This looks so good.
Isn't this pretty?
This looks so good. This whole thing right here looks so good. And I have to point out, we're here on a Sunday. None of the workers are here.
Quiet,
None of the cars are here. It's like a whole different place because every time I've been here, it's been chock full of workers.
Oh, I know, and noise going on.
Noise, and it's quiet, and it's serene, and it's just so beautiful. The lights, look how good the lights look.
Look at it. And look, turn around and look at that one bloom on top of the
Oh, yeah. Here, I don't want to step on them on.
That's going to be all pink, like a little umbrella of pink.
I love it. And these are weeping cherries.
And these are weeping cherries. And then in the corner, we have peonies coming up.
Love it. Love it. That's grown even more since last time I was here.
I know. Well, perennial. They're coming up like crazy.
They're happy for sure.
And then you saw us attach the star jasmine. This grows so vigorously that no one's going to see my little tape, and that's what I had. But you could use twine or whatever.
And just as a reminder, she didn't weave it through. In and out, in and out, in and out. She just put it right here on the front to protect the house, but then also you get all the benefit of all the foliage on one side.
You do. And if you weave it through, which a lot of people do, remember, sprouts come off the weaving.
Oh, yeah.
So you'd have it hitting the wall. That's why you want it on the front.
And what a waste, right? What a waste. Oh, Roberta, this looks so good.
These little grasses are going to get nice and clumpy. They're Carex everillo.
Yes.
And in between is a juga, which is commonly called bugleweed.
Right.
And it has little purple spikes that'll come out. So I'll have dark burgundy, purple, and you won't see much rock.
Right. All the rock's going to be covered.
And
even this is Liriope.
Liriope, and it blooms white. It's the alba.
I just love it. I just love it.
And here's our beautiful deck that we will, after it dries out, we will oil it.
Okay.
It's the Ipe, and it's a rainforest wood, and you could leave it or you could oil it. It's beautiful when it's oiled, and oiling helps preserve wood.
Yeah.
So but it's not a polyurethane; it's an oil.
It's like perfect wood. Like I just can't get over it. It's so perfect. And then look over here in this garden bed.
Yes.
Oh,
somebody left the hose all the way out. Sorry about that.
Right. It's gonna happen.
And this little maple will be red. This Japanese maple, and the Lysmachia is already starting to take
grow.
off.
Oh my goodness! And look at this, the mint. Oh my
little Corsican
gosh,
mint.
It looks so good.
It's going to completely fill in.
Oh, they did a good job installing.
They did a good job. And on the left, remember, this is an azalea that will bloom white. These are all gardenias. So they're going to get nice and full. And imagine you walk out the door and you just smell gardenias.
Well, the gardenias and the star jasmine.
Jasmine. So scent is so important.
Absolutely.
Some people make gardens with nothing but scented things. And so this is a mix.
Then beautiful.
My Ryusin.
Oh, it's fleshing out.
It's starting to flesh out.
Oh, this is exciting. This is a definite specimen tree. Let me show you guys the name real quick. Ryusin Weeping Japanese Maple. Very, very fancy.
It is upright, so it's not so spreading, but more columnar, and it weeps.
And it's just going to fit perfectly in this little corner right here.
There's a MO here.
Roberta, it is just so beautiful. So if you haven't seen the last video was the plant placement where Roberta was placing all of this stuff. And then the team installed everything, installed the weed barrier, installed the drip, installed the lights, installed the rock mulch. But they've been doing other work too.
I'm going to show you that.
In the back garden?
I'm going to show you that, yes. Also, those little sticks
Limelight.
are limelight hydrangeas.
I don't even think you could see it on camera. They're there. They're.
I don't want you to think I left a
They're
bare
there.
area. It's like one area that you could have a conversation about.
Oh, this looks so good.
Isn't it nice? So I sent you the before picture, so
Oh
hopefully
yes,
you can
let me put in the before pictures
put it in, because
of the whole thing. Just, I mean, even before they painted the house, right?
And before this was built.
Oh yes, before this was built.
Yeah, so
this
the house
is
wasn't painted, this wasn't built, it was a funky exposed aggregate.
Yeah.
It was kind of no man's land. And so many places in your landscape that you think are not worth looking at, when you transform them, they become a focal point.
Yeah.
So use every part
I
of your,
love that.
of your
even
landscape.
if it's a part that you are like, oh, it's not worth it. It's not. Put a little bit of effort into it, and it could really turn into something really magical and beautiful, like this space right here. And I have to say, this house is this is a big house. I get lost when I'm like, where am I now? Where am I at this house? I feel like I'm starting to get used to it, but it's so funny. I get lost because there's all these little nooks and crannies that you can kind of go into.
Yeah, I did too for quite a while.
It's so fun.
So
all right,
this is a decomposed granite path, which is permeable.
Love.
And it's in areas where there's not a lot of traffic, it's perfect. So we're going to go alongside the house.
Okay.
And here's the creek to the left.
Here you can see the creek down here. You guys see that? So it's like a borrowed landscape. Isn't that neat?
A borrowed landscape.
It's a whole different place without the workers here.
Isn't it? It's just so quiet.
I mean,
and
I
nice.
appreciate their work, but oh my gosh.
So what's going on here is they're starting to line out the pathway. So that decomposed granite path that we're on is going to follow in here. And this path is going to connect to a main path that goes up the stairs and then takes you down to the garden, and to the basketball court and then the garden. Okay,
so this is decomposed pathway right here.
Yes.
And then what is this decomposed, DG?
No, so coming off the stairs, this is going to be concrete, and if you stand here, you could see that it's going to weave to the basketball court, in front of the basketball court, and to the garden.
Oh my.
And then it'll be picked up by a concrete path that'll go back up to the pavilion and the pool.
Oh my goodness, look at how good this looks.
Isn't it amazing?
Oh gosh, and they put do you call it tile or paving?
They're porcelain pavers, they're outdoor pavers. And if you come up here, then you can see more of what we're doing.
Look at this.
I know, it's amazing.
Wow. So, I feel like I was just here and none of this was here.
I know.
I love that you guys did diagonal over here. I love that.
Isn't that nice? That was I wanted to edge this to make a delineation from this.
Yeah.
But his name's Al, the tile guy, suggested this on the phone. I said, I have to come and look at it. And I did, and I thought, yes, it's great.
It looks like a rug.
That's
you know what I mean?
That's what we wanted to do. And if you walk this way...
Oh my gosh. Look at how good this looks. So what kind of pavers, tiles are these? Porcelain, you said?
They're porcelain pavers.
Okay.
We got them through MSI, but Bellegarde also has them. But look how they cut the arcs for the stairs.
Oh my goodness. You guys are masters.
It's so beautiful. And then the way this is laid out linear, it kind of expands the landscape. Okay.
I love it.
So at first I wanted to do what do you call it? An invisible edge, where the water goes over.
Yeah.
There's a word for it.
Why are we blanking on that?
I don't know, because it's early.
Yeah.
We need more coffee,
we need more.
Probably.
The pools that go, what is that called?
Is it infinity?
Infinity edge. Yeah.
Yay! Infinity edge. This will be planted all through here, and then that will be stuccoed, the side of the wall.
Oh, fun.
So
beautiful.
The stairs will all be porcelain, but that'll be stucco, and then planting. And again, this will all get pavers as well. That's the dog ramp coming off the dog
I love that.
washing
is just the
area.
Cutest thing. That is so cute. Oh, I love the lights.
Aren't they beautiful?
I just love everything. And this is going to be clad. This is the interior beam.
Yes, the beams will be clad white, and then there'll be a fireplace going in where you see that stub at the end.
Oh my goodness.
And the fireplace is not going to be. So here was my dilemma. Whoop! These spacers, you have to walk.
Bill's going to yell at you.
No, they walk on them as well.
Okay.
So they wanted a fireplace, but I didn't want to block the view.
Yeah.
So the fireplace will be about this wide, and then it'll be low hearth, so you could see through it.
Oh my gosh. And look at the underside. Look at how beautiful. And you guys are going to leave this natural, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Roberta, and then of course your plantings that we've already seen. Go see the previous videos.
Right, and then these will be stairs going down to the path. And then there'll be kind of an arc here going from the corner of the pool and around. And this will be a really hot, beautiful succulent garden with agaves and
I am
boulders.
so excited for that. I want to see the planting for that because that's going to be interesting.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to show you everything.
Thanks. I love it.
Even when it's done.
I love this series because it's so fun because every time you come back, I mean, I know it's not my house, but it feels like it's my house. It's so fun.
Well, what I was going to say is that when you look at photos of landscapes, you're seeing it done.
Yeah.
The old Sunset magazines that showed in progress, and that's what was so exciting.
I know.
Because you think, wow, they took that and made that, so you could make yours into something different. This is a large project, and certainly I don't live this large, and I don't maintain anything that large.
No.
But size really doesn't matter.
No. And you can get, the thing I love about this type of thing is you can get really great ideas.
Yeah.
You know, using small spaces that you've never used before, the No-Mow sod, you know, having different gardens like the succulent garden and the Japanese garden and the parterre garden that's going over there, which is going to be so fun.
That's what we're going to work on next.
Oh my gosh.
He's going to get the walkways in, and then that's going to be our next area to work on. And we have to do tall fencing because there are deer that live here.
Oh yeah, keep them out for sure. Keep them out.
But what you see is going to be kind of Englishy. It's really nice.
Oh, I just love it so much, Roberta. This is so fun, and I know everybody loves watching this series, and we just appreciate you taking us through and taking the time. So we will be back. I don't know, probably a month or so or something like that.
Probably.
Yeah, just to kind of see what's going on and what's up. So what do you think is next? What's the next?
Well, the garden will be next. So actually the very next, well, these pavers will be finished, and then the walkways will be in.
Okay, that'll be fun.
And then we'll start building the fencing. That pad out there is for the little shed that we're going to build. And so that area will get fenced and graded. And then we'll start working on the sort of French style in the English garden bed layout.
I love it. That's gonna be that's gonna be a fun one.
It's gonna be nice.
Really fun.
But everything is kind of clipping along. So after that, I think the largest, I'm not sure if we could get the pool will be done, this will be done, and then we could get the sod in the front. That whole driveway has to come out, what's left of that, and the new driveway with the circle planting.
Oh my, I can't wait to see the circle planting.
Yeah.
That's going to be so fun,
nice.
so fun. So I have a playlist, so you can go to my playlist tab and find the Roberta Walker Project playlist. I'm pretty sure that's what I named it. But that's with all the videos that we started back in December.
Did we?
That was our first video, was back in December, and we're in March now. So this is really fun to see the progress. Huge thank you, Roberta, and thank you to the team. I know I say I like that you guys aren't here. I appreciate what you do, but it's so quiet now.
They're such hard workers. And
they're so hard. I mean, they're amazing. And they've been really nice to us and letting us walk through and film them and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.